Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Octavia MK4 with this kind of infotainment system. I believe this is the top one and it should be called Columbus or something like that. And I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden menus. So we have the standard menu over here. We have the menu button which takes us to those screens, and when we place the finger on the menu button over here and wait for about 3 seconds, we will enter this hidden service mode. Over here we can trigger the software update, we can check the software and hardware versions, so we have some detailed information about what's installed in the unit. We have the fetch and swap code section, so we can check which features are supported. This is the first section, supported codes. Each code refers to a different function like CarPlay, mirror link, Android Auto, voice recognition, and so on. And over here is the section with the installed code, so you can check which are actually installed. And if you need some advanced information about the unit, this is the place to look. And to exit this menu, just press the arrow in the upper left corner and you will go back to your normal screen. So that's pretty much it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones.